Today, I am in Leeds to ride the all-new, amazing Leeds Metro. This system honestly boasts the widest range of rolling stock I've ever seen, and also, as a lovely added bonus, has got special rubber-tired trackless trams. It's great. I really want to show you them later, so we'll travel on all of that today, and yeah. So here we are. First of all, we're going to go and get a train bound for Ilkley? I've forgotten how it's pronounced. But yeah, I guess we'll let Google Assistant decide our number of stops again. So, pick a number between 1 and 5. 2. Okay, so that takes us to Menston. So, we'll go to Menston. Here is our first metro stop we've gotten off at, and that is Menston. So, as per usual, we'll just take a look around. And there are actually a couple of things around here that I would like to look at, so I'll go and look. I do know I say I like the south of England, but Yorkshire is still really quite nice. I've found a tram stop here. We'll be looking at more of these later. Stay tuned. I appear to have found another path here, but it's all very muddy and marshy, and I probably can't even cross over there without getting wet through, so yeah, probably not the wisest decision to come down here. Here we are. The old Hyroids Hospital was in a pretty derelict state in the mid-2000s, however, in recent years was reconverted for residential use. There have been a few pop culture references to this place, the only one I can remember off the top of my head being the fact that there was a Kaiser Chiefs song written about this place, so hey, that's pretty cool. Right, so as for getting back on the trains now, we are pretty much equidistant between Menston and Guiseley, so I think I'm going to just continue on down and we will carry on to Guiseley, so that will be our next station. Hey look, it's one of the trams. We're going on those later. Alright, we are back at the Metro now. We are at Guiseley station and we will go to the next place, wherever that may be. This is one very unusual station entrance. So now that we're here, I'm thinking of getting a train to Bradford. Because why the hell not? Bradford is a place that exists, and that is where we are going to go.
Welcome to the Bradford Forster Square train.
I must say, it is really nice for a place like Leeds to finally have a lovely, good rapid transit system after all this time. But hey, here we are now at Bradford Forster Square, and just down the road is Bradford Interchange. So you know what that means? It's time for a pointless journey? So without further ado, let's head to Bradford Interchange. Wow, Bradford Interchange, we finally made it. Another pointless journey done. Now that that's out of the way, I'm in the mood for some of those fancy trams, methinks. So, let's go back into the centre of Leeds and ride the trams. So here we are back at Leeds again. So let's go ahead and ride these brand new state-of-the-art rubber-tired trackless trams. They sound really cool. So We're going to walk to the main interchange, and we will start riding some lovely trams. And here we are, Leeds City. I don't know which tram I'm going to get, but we'll decide that now, I guess. I've decided on getting a tram to Wakefield, because it's the only place here that I know where it is. So, yeah, approximately 18 minutes. To make them even fancier, they're double-decker. Wow! And there we are, the Leeds trams. They're very brilliant and futuristic. I love them. All right, I'm walking in Wakefield at the moment to hopefully go to Kirkgate Station, I think. Tram. All right, just down here is Wakefield Kirkgate. And you know, come to think of it, Wakefield Westgate isn't too far from here. So, no music. No, not now, please. No! So I guess we'll begin our journey by going one stop to Wakefield Westgate. Oh. Right, 20 minutes, and that'll be our way. And that puts us at Wakefield Westgate. No way! Another pointless journey done. So now we are outside Wakefield Westgate, and we've officially visited the Leeds Metro. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see whenever I upload any new videos. This video's dreadful. Happy April Fools. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.
And as always, a massive shout out goes out to all of my patrons and channel members who are listed on screen now, and of course, in particular, my first class patron, Joel on the Trains, and my standard premium patrons, Charles, Daniel Geographic, David Bainbridge, Dylan Davies, Emily, who's now resubscribed to the Patreon for another month, yay, Jacob House, Hugh Hillier, Manic, Rhys Harrison, Rob K. Carter Rudwick, and Stuart S.